Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
हाथी महल हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंटान आयज गोवा पुलिसाक व कोस्टल पुलिसाक एक पावरफुल बोट मोटर ऑफर केला अंडर कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
Today we have been handed over outboard motor by management of Hathi Mahal. They have provided this motor to us on our request under CSR, and it will help us to operate our canoe boat, which is now was non-operational due to problems in the outboard motor, and we will be able to maintain patrolling in the river and nearby the shore, so that we can keep check on the illegal fishing activities or violations of motor sports and general safety of the tourists who are going for swimming and recreational purpose. So on behalf of Goa Police in general and Betul Coastal Police Station, I am very much thankful to the management of Hathi Mahal and their officials for providing us this outboard motor under the CSR, and we will utilize it for the public purpose during this peak tourist season in the May.
तुम्ही आता हुया बेतुल विभाग
Betul Coastal.
Hi, I'm from the Karma Group. This boat motor was requested by the Betul Coastal Police Station. They put in a request to a lot of hotels, and our company decided to come forward and donate this boat motor for the purpose of coastal security of this belt in South Goa. And we think it is important as an organization based in Goa to support local government authorities and the community to ensure effective policing of our coastline. And hence, I'm grateful to the company management that the decision was taken to donate this boat motor to the Coastal Police Station. Thank you very much.
So your good name?
George Lobo.
So designation?
I'm the Regional General Manager.